Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time here, my name is Tofumi and this is my channel where I do DIYs and how-to videos. In this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a bridal hand fan with just homemade bridal hand fan. Let me just put it like that. So you're going to be needing your tape rule, your doll face, your hand fan, your glue gun and your glue, of course. Then I'm going to be needing feathers and trimmings, which I'm going to show you later on. And also I'm going to be adding tassels to it as you've seen it. So let's get right into it. So the first thing I want to do is to trace out the hand fan on the doll face, because I would like to get a perfect size of the hand fan on the doll face, exactly the size. That's what I'm going to do first. Now that we are done with that, as you can see, I have a perfect shape. It's almost as if there's nothing underneath my hand fan. I'm going to take my doll face again, or you can use a bridal satin or any fabric of your choice, but I prefer a doll face because it's easy to use. I'm going to take my doll face again and I'm going to cut another pattern of my hand fan. This time around, I'm going to make sure that the pattern is a bit bigger so that I can cover the edges of the hand fan. Can you see I'm trying to trace it out to make sure that it's a bit bigger than the first one I cut out, so that I can use it to wrap the edges and we don't have edges of the hand fan sticking out after we are done with our bridal hand fan. So this is what I have after I'm done with it. This is exactly what it looks like. Can you guys see? It's just like ½ inch bigger than the other one, and it makes it easier for me to wrap the edges around. So now what I'm going to do is just to first of all glue the perfect size of the doll face to the hand fan using my glue gun. Make sure that your glue gun is hot and be very careful with it because it can be very hot. Now I'm going to glue it round the hand fan. I'm going to glue the doll face round the hand fan carefully. So this is what we have. Can you guys see? It's coming out beautifully. Can you see it? It's so beautiful. And what I'm going to do next is to, can you guys see? I'm trying to show you guys. What I'm going to do next right now is to glue the other edge to the hand fan and use it to wrap the edges round. Come with me, guys. So this is what the outcome looks like. I always enjoy calling it skeleton. I like to call it the skeleton. This is what it looks like. Can you guys see? I've wrapped the edges round and everything is looking neat. So let's get on to adding our 4 to it. What I have here is 4 yards of 4 and I've divided it into 2 yards. That is 2 for the front and 2 for the back. You could do yours that's in such a way that is just as a front part. I've seen some bridal hand fans like that. That is just the front part. They don't have the back part. So what I've done now is I've divided it into 2 yards each. 2 yards for the front, 2 yards for the back to make it easier for me. And I'm trying to take it around to see where it's going to stop at. Can you guys see? Also, you can use any color of 4 of your choice. You can use any type of 4. You can use feathers. I used feathers in this case, but you can use 4. You can use chicken feathers. You can use ostrich feathers. Any type of feathers that you want. However you want it to look is up to you. So I've traced it out and I know where it's going to stop, and I'm going to cut that place out exactly and trim it out. Then I start placing it on my hand fan. So I'm done placing the first round of feathers on the hand fan. I'm done laying the first round, and this is exactly what it looks like. Can you guys see that it's coming out beautifully already? Just take a closer look at it, see what it looks like. So next thing I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to replicate this thing on the back also. I'm going to lay the first step of feathers around on the back part also. So let's go, guys. Just look at guys, look at what our hand fan looks like. It's coming out beautifully already. Can you guys see? Just look at it. So what I'm going to do next, of course, is to place the second layer of feathers on the hand fan. Of course, I'm going to trace out how many yards it's going to take, and then I'm going to cut it out and place it just like I did the first one. Please note that you don't have to follow the number of layers that I used in this video. If you have more feathers to use, you can place as many layers as you want. You can make it as full as you want. I'm making it as full as I want according to the amount of feathers that I have on ground. So this is what everything looks like. It's perfect now. I'm trying to part ways to make ways for the handle. I'm going to embellish the handles with these trimmings that I got. I'm going to show you guys the trimmings. I'm trying to pull out feathers from the spot of the handle. You could put trimmings, you could embellish the handle, you could do it whichever way you want before you add the fur, but I did my fur first because I needed to know how much coverage it was going to get. So this is it. This is the handle. I'm going to use trimming to cover it up, straight up, so you guys can come with me. And this is what I have. Can you guys see? This is what I have after folding and after embellishing the handle with trimmings. Can you see how beautiful it looks? It's coming together already, as you guys can see. So let's go ahead and embellish the center of the hand fan. I'm going to be using these trimmings that I got from the fabric market. You can use any type of trimmings as you want, as you like. And I'm trying to piece it out because putting it straight is going to make some kind of curves that I don't like. So I would like to piece it out and place it one after the other on my hand fan so that it could make a beautiful design. I could just be creative with it as I want. So guys, this is what I have. This is the final product. Look at how beautiful and simple and elegant it looks. This is very beautiful for every bride. It's very simple and it's a go-to design for everybody. You can be creative and embellish it as you like. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for your comments. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any other requests, drop it in the comment section. Until next time, guys, bye.